Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Welcome, dear viewers. Today I am going to show you how to hide the number of subscribers. So, without wasting time, let's begin. First of all, you will have to log in into your channel, YouTube channel, and then select your dashboard, YouTube Studio. By the way, if you are logging from mobile, so you can log in from Chrome browser and select desktop use, and then you will have these options. Select setting. Currently I showed you that it's showing my subscription, but I want to hide the number of subscribers. So simple is that you have to uncheck this option, display the number of people who subscribe to my channel. If it is checked, it will show. If it is unchecked, it will hide the number of subscribers. Click save. That's it. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you that it is hidden now or not. Click on show on YouTube. You can see that it's now hidden. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And Allah Hafiz.